few products that we had launched, starting from Phoenix, Jupiter, the new Vigo, Star City. All these products have been well received by the customer, and we have been able to satisfy the customers for us. Scooter industry particularly, as my colleague Mani Goyal was mentioning, has been growing at a much higher rate than the two-wheeler industry growth rate. Last year, scooter industry been growing at 23 to 24%. And this year, the first 5 months, the growth rates have increased to 30%. Almost double of the two-wheeler industry growth, or even higher than that. And with that, the scooter category share, which was around 19 to 20% 2 years back, moved to 24% the last year, and in the first 4 or 5 months it has moved to 26%. That means that for every 100 two-wheelers that is sold, 26 are scooters now, which was 19 scooters or 20 scooters, which was just 2 years back. In the scooter industry, TVS Motors have been well associated for the last 20 years, starting with Scooty. Scooty has been a very iconic brand, where it has got a lot of pioneering innovations in it, and today we have close to around 40 lakh customers on road with our Scooty brand. And post which we had launched Vigo, then we have Jupiter, which has also taken up very well by the customers, and today we do close to around 60,000 numbers scooters every month. And this has helped us to move market share to almost close to 15% today, all India. Now to take the Scooty, which has been an iconic brand for us, to the next level, we have bought the Scooty Zest today, which is a combination of good styling, very aggressive and modern styling, international fit and finish, the new CVTi engine, a bigger engine, which delivers both the power and the best-in-class mileage of 62 kilometers per liter. And it comes with a lot of features aiming at the safety, convenience and comfort of the customers. And this is the reason why Scooty has been selling for quite a good numbers of 40 lakhs in the last 20 years. And we would like to continue in that, and understood the customer requirement, upgraded requirements today, and that's where the final result is the Scooty Zest today that we are launching in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. We manufacture this in Mysore. This will be in addition to the Scooty Pep and Streak that is available in the market. And we are starting with almost close to around 10,000 numbers. And we expect this to move to around 15,000 numbers in the near future, which will give us an overall to scooter volume at 75,000 from the current level of 60,000 that we are in today. We intend to move to 75,000, which will give us a market share of 18% in the scooter industry space. This is all about the Scooty Zest background and the reason for us to launch the Scooty Zest today. We are open for any questions on Scooty Zest. Yeah, in the next 2-3 months we should be able to hit the 18% market share in the scooters. So for reaching the 18% market share, we need to do around 75,000 per month, because the industry today is around 35 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, sorry, 3.5 lakhs every month, and 70 to 75,000 is what we need to do in this space, which we are confident that we should be able to hit in the next 2 to 3 months' time.
What would be the time frame for the 80% market share?
In the next 2 months' time. So we are already at 60,000. That's what I was explaining. We need to touch the 70,000 plus. We are already at 60,000 now in scooter space. And with the launch of Scooty Zest, we should add another 10 to 15,000 numbers, which should happen in the next 2 months' time. And we will be able to take it to the 18% market share.
You already have one scooter in your portfolio. What is the prime reason behind making a more powerful scooter?
Yeah, I would give it to.
So if you look at
Approximately, it should be around
5,500, I would say, right?
53,000, 54,000 approximately. And the current growth rate of the two-wheeler industry is around 14% the first 5 months of this year. Scooter industry volume is 3.5 lakhs today per month, and the growth rate is around 30% the first 5 months of this year. So scooter industry occupies close to 26% of the total two-wheeler industry space. Much faster rate. Two-wheeler is growing at 13 to 14%, whereas scooter is growing at 30%, 30. Yeah, the current growth rate, we expect this to continue for the next 1 or 2 years because we see a movement towards scooter in the last 2 years. The growth rates have increased in the scooter industry, and we expect this to continue at least for the next 2 to 3 years' time. So this year, the current growth rate will be maintained at that 30 or between the 30 and 35%, and the industry is expected to be around the 3.75 lakhs to 3.8 lakhs towards the end of this year. Currently, it's around 3.5 to 3.6. We are growing at around 35% the first 5 months. We have been growing around 32% for the first 5 months of this year. And we expect this growth rate to continue for TVS in the next 7 months of this year. Last year, we ended up around 17.5 lakhs has been our domestic volume. We intend to grow at 30% on this. So approximately, we can take around 22 lakhs is what we may end up this year as the overall year volume for domestic. Yeah, one is the industry growth rates have been much better than what it was the last year. That's the primary reason. Number two was the new product acceptance by the customer, starting from the Jupiter, then Vigo and Star City. These three, the acceptance has been quite good and the demand is quite good for these products. So that is also fueling the growth. And number three, the existing product range that we have, like Apache is doing well. We are almost growing at 50% over the last year. So that is also helping this growth. Sport is another product which is growing almost at 20% over the last year. So that is also helping the growth because it has been a vehicle which delivers a good mileage and with a good style. So that is also growing at a good rate. Moped is another product category where we are growing close to around 15% all India. So that is also helping the growth rate. The combination of these three reasons, industry growth rate, the new product acceptance and the existing product delivery, these three are helping us this growth rate. Product launch is a continuous thing that we'll keep giving you information once we are ready for it. But we have, as our chairman had mentioned, we have 2 more products that we may intend to launch in this year, but will be in motorcycles. We have in commuter and in premium also. We'll get back with the details once it, because it's still time to go. We'll definitely get back with the deal. But one premium segment is what we are planning to launch.